these two down. Oh man, this doesn't feel good. This must have a speed test. Wow, that is so funny. I never seen that before. It's a speed test. I bought these two boxes today just to do this video because I know you guys like it. So I'm gonna close it with my blue little thing here.
I forgot I started recording. Alright guys. Okay, let's play. We're gonna be playing Roblox this time. So let's find the game to play.
Okay, so let's take these two wheels.
There's about 5 billion games on Roblox and I can't see. Maybe we should play.
Oh, look at that! I never seen that. That's so crazy.
Alright.
What is it doing? Why is it testing?
Why am I connected to a TV?
That is pretty
Does that mean I'm... Wait!
That is pretty cool.
Why the heck is a Bluetooth on?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh wait.
This one up. Huh.
Oh. I wonder why Bluetooth was on. Ooh, don't press the button. Let's see what this is. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, sooner or later I'll be making my Avatar Evolution Part 3. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, load up. Why everybody's moving in the same place? Ooh, what does this button do? Oh, tap, tap, tap. Oh, it's tsunami. Here, let me rejoin because my internet is really bad.
Okay. And the 6S Plus -24. Sweet.
Oh, come on. Oh my gosh. Just be good for one day. That's what I always say.
With my phone. Clock.
Okay.
Start take time. Bam.
What type of phone is that?
When it's been going a few hours. So stay tuned for that. Have an awesome day, friends.
We're pretty different.
Everyone in your family is different. That's why Verizon lets everyone mix and match different unlimited plans.
Oh, come on.
Switch now. Verizon. New plan starts just $35. That's our
Let's
lowest
go
price.
back. Don't press the button.
Oh, that's a long time.
Alright.
I also cooked up some warm water because I might need it. 10 hours.
Come on!
-20.
I lost connection again.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this internet's crap.
This is the S7. This is the 6S Plus. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just gonna open them up here. Oh my god, it's hard. I mean, this is extreme.
Don't you go down. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Where are the phones? The thing I'm gonna do is you probably won't be able to. They're probably not turned on. So I'm gonna do the test of charging them. Okay, I'm gonna charge them to see if you can start them. So I'm gonna go and get my water because I need some warm water.
Oh my gosh, I'm so distracted in this TV, guys. I don't even feel like I want to record. It's like I don't know day. Okay, let's log out of this. I mean, no matter what tricks you use, internet's gonna be bad. Look at it. Just look. Like, keep looking at the internet,
I
guys.
think that's the
I don't know if y'all can
success.
see it, but just keep looking at it if you can.
Oh ho ho! Oh my god! Oh my god! I didn't know that would be the effect.
Okay, it's going pretty well,
Wow!
I guess.
Oh my god! It made a hole inside of it. There in the middle.
Alright, there we go.
That is crazy.
Now this
That is so crazy.
better.
I'm gonna see if I can go and find. I'm just gonna keep doing this though. Oh my god, it's like it's melting the thing. Ho ho ho!
Ooh, you know, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see if I can kill myself.
That is so cool.
Am I still falling? Oh, this is retarded.
It's pretty hard, but oh, I can feel the foam. Nice. Oh my god! There we have the S7. Okay. Let's see.
This. I don't even know why I'm recording. Like, so redonkulous. Look at the internet symbol, guys.
Oh my god.
Y'all see it? Y'all see it? It has a warning symbol next to it, right?
Oh boy.
This is what I gotta do.
It's not that warm. Oh yeah, it is low. This can be a bit of a weird video, I guess.
Come on, lighten up. Dang, darn.
Oh, oh my god, that was warm. Oh boy. Oh, there we go.
Don't press the button means don't lose connection.
Okay, it's working.
Oh, look at me. I see my beautiful sail.
Yeah, it won.
Yeah.
We haven't seen.
Wow. Yay. 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 I get to see my beautiful avatar. Whoa. Is anybody going to press the button? Oh, then I'll do it. Back away, y'all mutant creatures. What? Oh, okay, I'm not gonna press it. Jackpot. 20 coins. Oh, I died.
Here we have the iron.
Wonder how the heck that happened. That dude, it was him! Get out! He killed us! Get over here, he killed us. Okay, Robux shop. No, coin shop. Speed coil. Are you serious?
Cool.
Oh, no. You already have enough stuff. And what is dropping down for the... Oh, wow. Ow. Are you serious?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
well.
that's so
Well,
cool,
that's that.
man.
Hope that... Look, I'm gonna sit right here. I'm gonna see if I don't get hit.
Or it's not completely like fried.
At least I'm not in my noob avatars. If I was in my noob avatars, I would have been dead by now.
I don't know.
Okay, let's try to move around a bit. There we go. Oh yeah, like my new avatar, guys? Like it?
So I'm just gonna clean this one off a little bit more and then I will get back to you.
No, seriously,
Okay,
but like
so
the video,
I'm
okay, guys?
back. It's
Okay,
still kind of
like
wet
it.
here, but this is the
See this
moment
beautiful
we're waiting
face?
for. We are gonna try to charge
You see
it.
this beautiful
I
face?
cleaned it off a little bit
Like
before.
the
This is gonna be the
video.
first charge test.
Okay, guys.
Will it-
Safety
will
reasons.
it
Don't
work?
put the phone all the way up to your
Will
face. I don't
it-
care if you're
will it
addicted
make
to games or not.
S7 Will it
Goodbye.
make S7 the winner? Okay, we're gonna try.
Ah!
Okay. Okay, are you ready? Let's go.
Oh, why'd your head on top of mine?
Oh my god.
Gay.
Oh my god. It does. It's on. What is this?
Duh. Here,
Oh my
protect
God,
me.
it
Protect me, sir.
charges. It charges,
Oh, you selfish
but
human
do I have
beings.
some issues with the display? No, it's on, friends. Oh my god, that's insane. That's insane. How can
Oh,
that
I died
also
again.
survive?
This
Wow, I didn't
This
expect that.
is annoying, sir.
didn't.
Can I have your
didn't.
gravity cord?
This is
It looks so.
crazy.
Hey, no, no, no! It's so rude. Are you serious? Victory Royale.
Does your battery deliver extra life or extra power?
Extra life.
Don't click it, please, guys. Oh, yay! I got how?
Life. Extra life.
No need to argue.
Seriously?
For top Nutricell Optimum delivers
Oh, I get exploded.
or extra power.
That's great. Here, smell something else.
What is up guys, TechRex here. In this video we have a perfectly working iPhone XS. I want to show you guys there's not a single blemish or crack.
Yes, I don't care about if somebody's live on TikTok. Everybody hates TikTok anyways. Well, I regret that. Sorry, viewers. Like, almost every person in the world that has a phone has TikTok. Except for me, because I hate TikTok. The owner of TikTok is a selfish being, because he got everybody to download it. So, yeah. My opinion. Okay, guys? Doesn't mean he actually is. Just please, I wish somebody would delete that. I'm good at I was about to say I'm good at parkour, but I guess I'm not. But oh yay! It's say parkour. Oh my gosh, that could be 2 Robux. Oh wait guys, just so you know, you might search up videos of how to get free Robux or free Builders Club or free something, but there is no way how you can get free Robux or free Builders Club. So don't search up ways how to get free Robux or anything, because there's absolutely no way how you can get free Robux. So I might delete that video if I made the promo code to get it free. Is this body? I wasn't finished yet. What the heck is wrong with my face? Hey, you stop it. Stop chasing me. Stop it. Ow! What's wrong with my face? Is there anything? Coin shop. Galaxy Collar 50. Epic. Oh, great.